Okay, y'all, so I might just have a SHEIN press-on nail problem, but that's totally fine, right? Because today I'm going to show you every single set that I've ordered. I'm going to show you what I love, what surprised me, and which ones are actually worth your money. So let's get into it. I know this looks like a lot of press-on nails, but I'm gonna be honest with y'all. This isn't even half of my press-on nail collection. Now, don't go judging me now because yes, for the price, I definitely stocked up. Yeah. And come here, look at this here. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. M in my look, I got way too many to be trying to count. Yeah. Okay, anyway, y'all, let's get into these nails. Okay, so this is the first set that I have, and let me just say, yes, all of these nails that I have are handmade press-on nails. And as you can see, most of them do come with sticky tabs and also a nail file, so real handy. And the handmade ones only come with 10 nails, and they come in small, medium, large, and sometimes extra large. Get into these nails though, y'all. Look at the detail on these nails. These are one of my favorite sets because they look so expensive. Mind you, I literally paid less than $10 for these nails, so these are definitely tea. Just a heads up, I'm not going to talk anymore throughout this video. I'm just going to play some music and let you guys enjoy the vibes and the nails. But as always, just comment down below if you have any questions, and please like and subscribe to this video. I truly appreciate you all, and yeah, I will see you all at the end of this video.
both not sure what lies ahead of us. Keep my summer, protect me from the rain. Keep my summer, protect me from the rain.
Well, y'all, that's all the nails that I have for this video. I hope you like my collection, and like I said, if you want any links or if you have any question about the nails, just put it down in the comment section down below, and I will do my best to try to find some of those links for you. I truly hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, but I will see you all in my next video. Bye.